Hey divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be an ear tutorial in which I'll be doing the Billie Eilish patch. So if you guys want to see how I do it, continue to watch. First things first, if you don't have these products, you'll have to go to the beauty supply store or any hair store that sell these products and purchase them. As you can see, I'm going in. I already have the unit. This unit is black. It's not a blonde unit or anything. It's straight black. I think I did dye it jet black a while back. So now I'm gonna go in and bleach wherever I'm gonna put the dye, and I won't be going all the way out. I'm just gonna be bleaching the root. Before you dye the unit, you're going to need to lift the section to your desired color. So I'm going to go in with the BW2 powder with some cream developer, and I chose to use the 20 volume developer because I'm not going to rush the process. I'm just going to let it take its own little time. So as you can see now, I'm sectioning off the portion that I'll be bleaching and bleaching. And as I said before, I'm just going to be bleaching the roots, like maybe like an inch up, inch or two. I'm not sure. I think it's an inch or two. And I'm just right here, I'm just putting away the section that I don't want the bleach to be on. I'm using a consistency that's not too runny or not too thick, just the right consistency to get the job done. As you can see, I'm applying it only where I'm going to be putting the dye, just the patch portion. I'm not going all the way out to the ends. For me, bleaching a hair can get very messy, so what I do, I use this foil to avoid getting the bleach on sections of the hair which I don't want to get bleach, if you get what I'm saying. So this is like a guide to, I put it underneath to avoid getting bleach on the bottom section where I don't want the bleach. Because this is repetitive, applying the bleach to the unit, I won't be saying anything. I just want you guys to watch and learn and see what I'm doing, and then I'll see you guys in a few. Now that I get the hair to a desired level that I can work with, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the bleach out before applying the dye. The dye that I'll be using is the Adore Electric Lime, and I'll be using the watercolor method to save time. To do the watercolor method, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this bowl with some, I won't be filling it, just add a little bit of warm water from the faucet. I won't be boiling any on the stove, and then go ahead and add my dye and then thoroughly mix it up, because you don't want any lumps, because you don't want it to dye uneven. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to just add a little as I mix it out to get my desired, like to get the brightness that I want, because when you add the hair, you don't know how it looks until it's completely dry. Now that I'm done mixing it, I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the portion that is bleached in the mixture, and then let it sit a little bit before rinsing it out, because I want to get every single strand, and you see me combing it through just to ensure that I get everything. After I'm done dyeing it, all I'm just gonna do is rinse it out, and then go ahead, conditioner it, and let it sit overnight, air dry. Most of my units, I let them air dry overnight, unless it's a rush order where I have to use a blow dryer. But most of my units, I let them sit, hair dry, and then style them the next day or whenever they're dry. And stay tuned for the finished results. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final result after it has been hair dried, styled, and ready to be worn. This is a 5x5 closure unit. It is totally glueless. It comes with an elastic band. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the love. Bye.